The graph of a function f of x displays the following behavior near x equals 0. It's a little hard to read this, so let me just rewrite it out here. The limit as x approaches 0 to the negative means you're traveling from the left side. So traveling from the left side. That's going to be the same as the limit as x approaches 0 positive, which means from the right side, and both of those equal infinity. Now, graphically, what this looks like is I don't know 100% of what's going on as far as my graph and what it looks like, but if it's going towards 0 from the left and shoots up to infinity, and the right side has to do the same, it's got to look something like that. Now, 1 over x is a function that looks like this, so it's not going to be a. 1 over x squared looks like this. Okay, there's a rule that it says if you have like multiplicity stuff going on, you're going to go to the same exact infinity depending on whether things are positive or negative here. And since we have 1 over x squared and x squared's in the denominator, we have both sides going to the same exact limit, which is infinity. Okay, so definitely not you, because it's definitely you.